lavada pelo mar, was made as a visual manifesto for reparations. Reparation is not a wiping of history. Reparation, in all its possible forms, is a step to think of another possible engagement with history, a step in a decolonial effort, in the linking from the violent imposed truths from the last 500 years, a step in caring for what is unrepairable. My interest in working with glass stems from its material quality, from its sharpness, from its crystalline transparency, and its multiple refractions when overlaid. What other histories do these overlaid refractions tell? What histories do the memories of the sea tell? Histories that question the denial and forgetfulness of a dominant narrative. And why denial and forgetfulness when our overlay of historical events is so clear?